Hello friends! So today we're going to be revisiting our numbers. This time you're going to say the number first, then I will say it to make sure that you are learning along. Are you ready? I think you are. Let's try it. Your turn.
Tasi.
What number is this? Leale numera lea.
Lua.
Leale numera lea.
Tolu. Fa. Lima. Unu. Fitu. Balu. Iva. Sefulu.
Well done! You just counted all the way to number 10. Now, are you ready to take it to the next level in our counting? I think you are. Let's try counting from 11 to 20. Let's go!
Sefulu male tasi. Sefulu male lua. Sefulu male tonu. Sefulu male fa. Sefulu male lima. Sefulu male unu. Sefulu male fitu. Sefulu male valu. Sefulu male iva. Lua sefulu.
Now, for those that already can count up to 20, how about we take it up to 100? This time we will be counting by tens.
Sefulu. Lua sefulu. Tolu sefulu. Fa sefulu. Lima sefulu. Ono sefulu. Fitu sefulu. Balu sefulu. Iva sefulu. Selau. Selau.
Lele, tele. Wow, le selauta to numera. Well done. We have counted all the way up to 100. Now we just have to keep practicing. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for learning with us.